Hello everyone, welcome to African Note Food. I hope everybody is well. Today we are going to make ice kenkey. So we are using kenkey today. In our first video we used fanti kenkey. So this one we're going to use kenkey. Yeah, so we're going to take the skin off. We're going to peel it like that. Okay, and then cut it into small pieces. Okay, this is it. Take this out. So cut it. Alright. So this one was frozen, so I just defroze it. So it's a bit hard. Cut it into small pieces. Make sure you cut into small pieces, because if you have a smart blender, a blender that's strong, that's fine. You can chop it the way you want. But if you have a blender that's not too strong, make sure you cut it into small pieces so it will blend well. So then, okay, now I'm going to add all this into my blender. All right. So this is my blender. Here. Our kenkey is chopped already. We have our sugar here, and we have our evaporated milk here, and here we have ice cold water with ice cubes in it. Okay, so I'm going to add the water into the ice here. Okay, all right, and add sugar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, or if you wish you have more, you can add more. 2 is enough. Okay, I'm going to close it and blend it. This is how it looks like. So it's gonna go in here, there. Okay. And I'll add the rest into my cup here.